Hi, and welcome to PolyAnalytik. My name is Sarah, and today we're talking about chloroform.
Chloroform was actually used as an anesthetic in the mid-1800s for childbirth and surgery. Thankfully, we moved to safer measures since then. If chloroform is stored for a long time, it can actually degrade into phosgene, which was used as a chemical weapon during World War I.
Now, you might be wondering, well, why'd you keep chloroform at PolyAnalytik then? Thankfully, we love all of our employees. So instead, we use this for GPC.
Chloroform is an excellent eluent for dissolving a polymer known as PLGA.
Interestingly enough, PLGA is actually one of the coatings used on this little stent.
As you can imagine, this isn't an easy task given how small this is and how minute the coating amounts are. However, our scientists have developed unique methods to measure the degradation profile of this polymer using chloroform to help medical device companies determine the safety of their products. Have any GPC-specific questions or want to learn more about our instruments? Contact us using the link below.